Understanding the phrase, orbiting the idea. Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of English idiomatic expressions. We'll be exploring the phrase, orbiting the idea. This expression isn't just about space or planets. It has a special meaning in everyday conversation. So, if you're ready to enhance your English, join me in unraveling the secrets of this intriguing phrase. The phrase, orbiting the idea, is a metaphorical expression. It draws its imagery from the way a planet orbits around a star. When someone is orbiting an idea, they are not directly approaching or addressing the idea. Instead, they are circling around it, staying close, but not making a direct move towards it. You might use orbiting the idea in situations where someone is considering a plan or a concept but hasn't made a decision yet. They might be weighing the pros and cons, or simply hesitating to commit to it. For example, if your friend is thinking about starting a new hobby but hasn't signed up for any classes yet, you could say they are orbiting the idea of taking up painting. Let's see how this phrase works in real-life conversations. 1. Jane has been orbiting the idea of going back to school for a while, but she still hasn't applied. 2. Our team has been orbiting the idea of remote work, but we haven't set any policies yet. In these examples, the individuals are keeping the idea within their thoughts, considering it from various angles, but not making any final decisions. Other idiomatic expressions that share a similar meaning include on the fence, indecisive or undecided about something, kicking the can down the road, avoiding or delaying a decision or action. These phrases, like orbiting the idea, depict scenarios where commitment or decision is pending. And that wraps up our journey around the phrase, orbiting the idea. Remember, this expression is a beautiful way to describe a state of contemplation or indecision, much like a planet making its rounds around a star. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase in your daily conversations. Keep orbiting around the vast universe of English expressions, and I'll see you in the next video.